ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what resonates. And I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. No? So your first card is the Three of Wands and the King of Cups. So parang inaantay natin dito na magsalita si person or inaantay nitong taong ito na magsalita siya. It's either saying, no, or confiding what's in their heart, what is the truth, what needs to be done, parang what is really happening between us. Para kasing meron lang inaantay na it could be right timing, divine timing. It can be a sign from the universe. One thing is for sure, the emotion is already there. The emotion is somewhat already being felt, no? But the thing is, parang hindi ko pa masabi for some reason. Let's see more in the heart space. Oh. Kasi parang sobrang seryoso, no? Nitong nararamdaman nitong taong to. It can be you, it can be your person. What I am reading is the dynamic since this is a general reading. So nakikita natin dito with the Four of Wands, parang gusto ko sanang sabihin na magsarili na tayo ng bahay or magsama tayo ng bahay, no? Lumipat na tayo ng bahay. Or magsama tayo sa isang bahay. There's something about the house or cohabitation or probably looking for more, sabihin natin, magkaroon tayo ng strong foundation. Our own nest. Ayan. It can also be, I'm ready and I am prepared to be your husband or to be your wife, no? Or to be your partner. But I'm not quite sure if you are prepared for it. Kasi parang meron dito, I am prepared. I can definitely say that parang I'm confident, no? Na pwede kong sabihin sa iyo harap-harapan na ito yung gusto kong mangyari. Ito yung parang sinasabi natin, what I wanted to experience with you. Ayan. So, natatakot lang yata ito sabihin baka magkaroon ng rejection or magkaroon ng awkward moments with the Queen of Hazards. So parang noon pa man, no? Meron na ditong kumbaga clarity doon sa taong may nakakaramdam nito. Noon pa man, parang I'm giving all my best para parehas tayo, no, ng wavelength or ng mararamdaman or nararamdaman. Kasi with the Queen of Hazards, parang ang dami ko nang ginawa, no? Parang nauubos na rin ako. I might be afraid of baka mamaya wala na akong maipakitang gilas, no? Baka mamaya ubos na rin yung tricks ko sa bags, tapos wala pang result. Sayang naman yung mga efforts ko. Well, I can definitely understand why this person who's very generous having this sense of urgency dahil parang meron ngang paubos na rin, no? Paubos na rin probably yung lakas ko or yung ideas ko, how am I going to win you over? With the Knight of Cups, so parang ginagawa nitong taong to is uunti-untiin ko na lang kaysa maubos. So parang meron din tayong napansin somewhat na medyo nag-lay low ang iyong or kunyari ito, no? Kunyari ikaw na lang ang merong wanting, no? So parang nag-lay low ka ng konti. Kasi nga, pag naubos na yung lakas mo, yung ideas mo, or the funds, no? um, parang battery yan eh. So magre-recharge no naman ako. Baka kasi madrain ako tapos hindi na siya mag-work. Sayang talaga. So with the world card, I feel like magkakaroon dito ng changes, no? This might be, sabihin natin, yeah, kasi the world card may represent a life-changing event, no? It may be the ending of an ending of a season and a birth of a new season, or it can be, sabihin natin, an ending of a specific event, but it's a new beginning of a new event. So, parang dinadahan-dahan mo dito. I feel like medyo mapapansin ito ni person na sabihin natin, bakit parang ang magiging assumption, no, ni person dito is, bakit parang tinatamad, no, itong person ko, or parang hindi na siya katulad ng dati. Well, the reason being is because, kasi nga nag-iingat na, no, kasi nga paubos na, parang, okay, I'm getting exhausted na din, no, I'm getting exhausted, I'm getting tired of waiting. Yeah, probably. So with the Hangman, hindi naman yun porket na-feel mo paubos na, no? Siyempre, nag-iisip ka pa rin ng new ways of how to pursue the person, how am I going to get my person's, how do I say this? How to get my person's attention, no? Or pursue more in the connection. Kasi the Hangman represents yung probably nag-iisip ako, yung naka-stack kong mga tricks might be kumukonte. It's getting lessen, pero hindi naman siya nangangahulugang hindi ko ipagpapatuloy. Natatakot lang ako baka mamaya wala na akong ideas, no? How am I going to pursue this in the future? The Chariot, malalagpasan naman daw lahat ng issues na ito or problem na ito or challenges na ito. How? Yun kasi ang aking tanong. How? With the Nine of Cups. So this is a wish fulfillment. Probably ma-identify niya nga na parang, uy, bakit parang nangihina itong person ko? Or nawawalan siya ng, kumbaga, enthusiasm to pursue the connection. Siguro itong si person masasabi niya or ma-identify niya with the Seven of Cups. I love this. Para magkakaroon yata dito ng change of role, no? Parang huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa, ako naman. Alam ko napapagod ka na. So parang ito yung nakita ko naman yung mga efforts mo, no? Nakita ko how you want to pursue the connection. And I know that you're getting tired of what we are becoming. I think it's time for you to rest. Ako naman, no? Ako naman ang magpo-pursue nito. Ako naman ang gagawa ng paraan. So parang ito yung naisip ko tuloy yung kanta ng SB90, no? Yung mapa. It has the same energy but in a different perspective in a, in a romantic way. Sa mapa kasi di ba yung anak ang siya muna, no? O siya naman, magpo-pursue dahil pagod na tong parents. Ito naman, ganun din naman, no? Alam ko, nakikita ko yung pagod mo, ako naman ngayon, no? So this is your reading. Let's check. 18 to, ha? Yeah. Snell, hello, if you're watching. I'm a big fan. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. At kung kayo may mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, buo agad ang water signs. Aquarius, Taurus, Leo. I'm seeing, Pisces is here, Aries is here. Oh, Capricorn. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. thoughts. Goodbye.